Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2026. So, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. So, mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, dito lang sa mrqueenph.com sa aking website. Or merong link sa comment section or sa description. Check nyo na lang. Okay, Sag. Kumusta? Tingnan natin. Anong energy ng March 2026 for you? What is the energy? The energy you put out is screaming, don't talk to me. Okay. So, maaring meron person sa buhay niyo na ayaw niyo kausapin. Or will try to talk to you, pero iiwasan mo. Parang meron dito energy na naiirita. So, pwedeng naiirita kayo sa taong to. Na nangungulit. This can also be as simple as yung mga nangungulit sa mga sa malls kapag dumaan ka, lalo na dun sa sa SM, yung mga cyber zone. Sa cyber zone, yung kapag pagpasok mo, lahat sila parang gera na nakabantay sa'yo, tapos parang alam mo yung makikipaglaban na ganyan. So, iiwasan niyo yun. Okay, you also have, you're not in a soul contract, you're in denial. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are connecting with a romantic partner, you are thinking na, meron kaming soul contract ng person na to. This is a karmic relationship. This is a twin flame relationship. But actually, it's not. Okay? Maaring some of you are feeding to your delusions na, itong person that I'm dealing with is someone na talagang for me na, no? But, kung nakikita mo naman that this person is not really, wala siyang ginagawang action, wala siyang ginagawang effort, bakit mo isipan na that is a soul contract or someone na meant to be in your life? Kasi, meron din naman talaga mga tao na nandyan para sa buhay natin, dumarating sa buhay natin to give us lessons. But sometimes, we tend to iniisip natin na this person is meant for you because dahil meron kayong kailangang i-fulfill na soul contract. So some of you, this is not a soul contract. You're just in denial. My trauma, my healing. Not every shadow work session needs a public announcement. Nakakatawa tong card na to, no? It's quite funny. So, hindi daw lahat ng shadow work session kailangan ipakita sa mundo na you are doing this shadow work. Na, of course, mas maganda rin. Kaya nga siya, shadow is something na needs to be done behind closed doors, which needs privacy. No? Okay lang naman mag-share na, this is the things that I've been going through, but, if it's depende sa intention, no? So if you feel like you just want to educate others or mag-share ng experience mo para ma-inspire din yung iba, then so be it, no? But it depends on your intention talaga. Na just to tell everyone na, you're going through this shadow work. Okay, let's see what else. Sag, synchronicities. So, merong mga magaganap ngayong March sa inyo na parang feeling nyo nag-a-align talaga sa purpose or sa goal ninyo. So, anything na nakikita mo na walang pumipigil or very smooth lang yung transaction, very smooth na nangyayari, it means it is meant to be. Okay? But if merong mga hiccups, may mga mishaps, may mga setbacks, maaring may reason kung bakit ganun or even delays. Maybe it's not for you. So, karmic completion. For number 1 in numerology, new beginning. So, meron ka na finally natapos na karmic connection or like a lesson na natutunan mo sa isang experience or sa isang person that you've connected with na finally natutunan mo na. Finally, nagising ka na and now, you know what's next for you. Parang meron ka na rito ang bagong chapter in your life na nagbubukas. Okay, overall energy for you. Wow, the sun. This is happiness. This is celebration. So March for you is also a time to be happy, to be celebratory. So some of you meron kayong magiging parang meron ditong celebration, may goal na na-achieve within the family. Now your challenge here is the Death card. Okay, as a challenge, this is the endings and new beginnings, the transformation na you need to go through. Na yung iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi pa kayo ready for this or nagre-resist kayo sa change. But you know what? If it's meant to be, it will be. Kahit napigilan mo, may magta-transform at magbabago talaga. Okay, now your opportunity is the Ten of Cups. So this is focusing on your family, spending more time with your family. So meron kayong opportunity to go out, have some fun, mamasyal sa mga places wherein very relaxing, go on a picnic. This can also mean reunion. You have the opportunity to reunite with your family members na matagal mo nang hindi nakakasama or nakikita. Now, your blessing. What's the blessing? The Knight of Pentacles. So, as a blessing, I see this as an opportunity to invest. Pwedeng may sisimulan kang investment, can be a business or a career, na nag-i-invest ka ng time. Kasi career is also an investment. Nag-i-invest ka ng time, ng energy, ng effort, ng learnings mo. Now, some of you, this can also mean a property na you're going to have or meron kang bibilhing property as a blessing. Meron kang mapupundar na bahay, lupa, or anything valuable para sa'yo. Now, your focus is the Five of Pentacles. I think meron kang ayusin na financial instability ngayong March. That's why may mga binabago ka, may nagbabago sa takbo ng trabaho mo, ng career path mo, and even the decisions that you do for your family, nagbabago rin. Kumbaga, ina-align mo yan sa iyong goals. Maari ring meron kang pagkakagastusan ngayong March na medyo mabigat. So, kaya kailangan rin pag-isipang maigi bago ka maglabas ng pera kasi baka pag nagastos mo na saka ka magsisisi at sabihin mo na, ay sana hindi ko na lang binili. 'Di ba? So, make sure na whatever, kahit magkano pa yan, na pagkakagastosan mo, make sure na hindi ka magsisisi at alam mo sa sarili mo na binili mo yon in good faith. Okay? Spiritual love. Okay, some of you, maaring this is about romantic connection, relationship with someone na very deep, like a deep connection with someone. You will experience that. Also with a friend. So this can be a soulmate friend na parang laging nandyan sa'yo, someone who is always there to support you, to give you guidance. Or maaring ikaw yung close friend ng isang friend mo na nandyan pa to give them guidance. Danger, especially in money matters. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maging maingat sa mga decision making nyo when it comes to money. Kasi nga, pwedeng merong rito, inconsistencies na tipong hindi mo nakikita yung red flags ng business na yan or ng investment na yan. You are highly thought of. So, someone is thinking about you. Someone is merong pwedeng person na namimiss ka, someone na you haven't seen or talked to in a while. So you may be connecting with that person. And then protection, you will consider who you allow to take your energy and who you give it away to freely. Yes. So protecting your energy is also about kung sino yung hahayaan mo na maging part ng life mo, whether this can be a toxic situation or not. But definitely if you feel na parang this person is parang may pagka-vampiric yung energy na lagi lang kabig ng kabig, no? Hindi siya nag-e-effort, then maybe you are cutting off connections with this person. Stepping into your own power. Yes, so this is about your lakas ng loob. Don't take a back seat in your story. It's time to step up. Ang ganda ng message. So, ibig sabihin yan, you will be more you will be in your own element. You know your abilities, your strengths, and iha-highlight mo yan ngayon because you know your worth and it's time to be seen. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.